We saw a few big thunderstorms moving through the eastern part of Mpumalanga on Monday. On our satellite, you'll see how big they are, and they even brought in lots of hail as well as a large amount of rainfall over a short period of time, resulting in some localized flooding, especially over parts of the eastern part of Mpumalanga. On our satellite, you'll also see a lot of cloud and moisture still flowing in over South Africa's interior, with the hot weather that will feed the thunderstorm development later on. And we already saw a few thundershowers over the southwestern part of the Free State early on Tuesday morning. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with up to a 40% chance of thundershowers that extends from the Free State all the way through to the coast. And as we head further west, you'll also see some light rain in the forecast over the southwestern part of South Africa, and that's with the arrival of a cold front. Quite cloudy already, with a bit of drizzle along the west coast. They say Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning on Tuesday, with runaway fires possible, and that extends over parts of the Cape provinces as well as the Free State and the northwest. It's a windy day over much of South Africa, with strong winds in the forecast over the central and southern interior. You'll also see a fresh to strong southwesterly wind along the eastern Cape coastline, with a moderate to fresh northeasterly wind along the KZN coast and a fresh northwesterly wind in Cape Town. East London can expect a hot afternoon on Tuesday at 30 degrees with the possibility of thundershowers. We'll see those temperatures heating up and cooling down intermittently between each day, typical of spring conditions at this time of year. 23 on Wednesday, 28 degrees on Thursday, windy on Friday at 24, and then partly cloudy at 22 as we head towards the weekend. Sizzling hot with Bergwind conditions over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape on Tuesday, 31 for Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, but then cool over the western parts, 17 degrees for Cape Town. On Wednesday, we're expecting sizzling hot weather over the northeastern parts, and many of those highs in the mid-30s. A slightly cooler day for KwaZulu-Natal with a chance of rainfall, and we're expecting rainfall to continue over the western part of South Africa.